In a world that never slows down, only the strong keep rolling. Here in Texas, strength isn't just built, it's engineered. Every weld, every bolt, every spark, forged with purpose. Tailored for dealers and upfitters looking to increase efficiency and maximize production for their end users. We keep your business rolling faster. Since the 1930s, the roll-off cable hoist has remained virtually unchanged. A workhorse turned relic, waiting for evolution. Until now. Unleashing the first of its kind. Titan NexGen series turnkey bolt-on package. Ship-out kits engineered, smarter, simpler, bolder. Reducing a 65-hour installation into an 8-hour day of work. No more endless assembly. No more wasted time. No more bottlenecks at dealers and upfitters. The future of roll-off innovation has arrived. At Titan Manufacturing, we don't just build cable hoists, we build solutions that move industries forward. Built to haul, built to last. When you need equipment that doesn't back down, there's only one name that keeps America rolling strong. Titan Manufacturing. Innovation that excites. Built here. Built tough. Built to last. Our vision? Simple. Innovate, execute, and deliver. A high-quality product line crafted with pride and precision. Backed by nationwide shipping, technical support, parts availability, flexible terms, and a dealer network coast to coast.